In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your virtual meetings or simply want to inject some fun into your calls, customizing your background can make all the difference. So let's dive in and learn how you can easily switch to a background that suits your mood or the occasion. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you have it open, make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're using the app for the first time or if it's been a while, double-check that you've got the latest version installed. This ensures you have all the features available to you, including the latest updates to the background options. Now, let's say you're about to join a meeting, or maybe you've already joined one but want to change your background on the fly. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a set of icons. Click on the three dots, which are your More Actions menu. This is a handy spot where you'll find various settings and options to customize your team's experience. From this menu, find and select the option that says Show Background Effects. This will open up a panel on the right side of your screen, displaying a variety of preset background images you can choose from. Microsoft Teams comes with several built-in images, ranging from simple office settings to beautiful landscapes that can suit any mood or professional setting. Go ahead and click on any image that catches your eye, and instantly preview how it will look behind you before you commit to using it in your meeting. But perhaps you're not quite satisfied with the stock options. Microsoft Teams also provides you with the capability to upload a custom image, allowing you to showcase any scene or theme you like. At the top of the Background Effects panel, you'll find the option to add a new image. Click this option to locate and select an image file from your computer. This is a great way to personalize your background with favorite photos or company branding. Once you have settled on an image or upload, don't forget to click the Apply button. This final step activates your chosen background for the current meeting. It's important to remember that applying a new background will remain active only for the session you're in, so you'll need to repeat this process for future meetings if you want the same or a different custom background. And there you have it. Changing your background in Microsoft Teams is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your virtual meeting presence. With this knowledge in hand, you're ready to make your meetings more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and happy background customizing.